Monte Pizza Crust is a bakery specialist producing high-quality pizza crusts since 1996. We produce a range of sizes and recipes. Our products are manufactured by a traditional method, which is based on pressing a dough ball into the baking tray using a special technique. Because of the balanced bakery process, a tasty bread-like structure is produced. Natural ingredients, flour, water, yeast and oil are the main ingredients for the pizza crusts. Most of these ingredients are measured into the dough mixer through an automated system. The ingredient quantities are programmed into the mixer recipe system. This ensures that we always work in accordance with set specifications. The details of each batch are automatically recorded so that traceability of all ingredients is guaranteed. Some smaller ingredients are carefully hand-weighed and added to the mixer by hand. The mixing process produces a smooth, well-developed dough. The mixing bowl then tips the dough into the dough divider. The dough is cut into pieces of the desired weight. It is then transferred across an automatic inline check weighing system, which records all the weight data. The dough goes through the molder, which forms the dough piece into a round dough ball. The size of the dough ball determines the size of the final product. The finished pizza base can vary from 10 to 35 centimeters in diameter. The dough balls are sprayed with vegetable oil to prevent dehydration and to aid release. They then undergo a first rest of about 12 minutes in the primary proofer. From the primary proofer, the dough balls are placed on the baking trays, where they are centered by a positioning device. After this, the baking trays are automatically transported to the first press, where the dough ball is pressed to the diameter of the indent in the baking tray. The baking trays make their way to the proofer, where the product is proofed for 12 minutes to develop volume, which will help the second press to achieve the maximum effect. After the proofer, the pizza crusts are pressed with the second press, where the final shape is determined, for example, with or without a raised edge. Next, the products are transported to a climate-controlled proofer with an adjustable relative humidity, which creates optimal conditions. Depending on the desired thickness, the products stay for a short or longer period of up to 12 minutes in this proofer. After this stage, it is possible to score or cut the products using a third press. For example, pre-cut or other shapes can be produced. The proofed products are transported to the gas-fired oven, making use of a number of upper and lower sections, which can each be programmed independently to achieve an optimal baking process. The baked pizza crusts are removed from the baking trays by using a vacuum system and placed on the conveyor belt to the spiral freezer. The baking trays continue their way and start the cycle again. In the spiral freezer, the products are cooled down to a temperature of -3 degrees Celsius over a period of 20 minutes. Everything goes through a metal detector to check for the presence of metal contaminants. After this, the products are packed in a controlled environment and stored in the freezer. The frozen products are packed in film into coated boxes, and they are then further frozen to a temperature of at least -18 degrees Celsius. The pizza crusts are now ready for transport to the customer.